Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to describe a do-it-yourself flea trap. So this is a 3D printed flea trap. I'm not sure how much it costs. I'll get into that in a moment, but I'm going to share all the resources that you need for this to make this at the video description below in the description. And including where you can find the plan to 3D print this, the actual file. I think it's an STL file. So this one was printed a different color, but you can make it the same color. The top part right here, you can get two different kinds. This one right here is called the clip kind, and it has a 29 millimeter hole. And we chose to use a bulb here. This is actually an incandescent bulb, so that it actually generate actual heat, which is better to attract the flea. And this just goes right in there and clips on just like that, and it's secure so it doesn't bounce around. And it comes with a 6-foot cord and has a switch to turn it on and off. To assemble it is very simple. It has 3 legs, and just match up the legs. There you go. And it is pretty secure there. Okay. And you can put water inside here. If you want to put water with soap solution to trap the flea, I don't like to use water. I just want to use something that is very easy. So this is a flea trap refill. And what you do is just remove this. And I will again put link in the description where you can buy this. So it's as simple as just removing this sticky and putting it in there, and just like that. Make sure you put the sticky side up, obviously, and it's ready to go. Just put the cover back on. I'm going to plug it in and turn on the light and let you see what it looks like. So obviously we're going to put this under the bed, wherever the place that you feel like you're going to have some flea issue, and just leave it there for many days until you catch some fleas. All right, so that's what it looks like, and it's ready to go. Now I'm going to explain the cost. This is probably a couple hundred milligram of filament. I'm gonna guess the cost is probably less than 20 cents on the plastic material. And we have the cable here from Amazon, 6-foot cable with the socket, and that's separate from the lamp. I think that's probably about $1.50 each. And then the lamp itself is probably about $2. So that's $3.50 plus 20 cents. So maybe the whole thing costs maybe $3.50 to $4 is what my estimate would be for this. Oh yeah, for the flea trap, it's about 40 cents each. So there you go, it's about $4. You can make this yourself. You can make as many as you want. And it's pretty easy, and it's very attractive also. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good. It looks better than the commercial version that sells probably for about $10 to $15 each. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up so that other people can discover it and they can make more flea traps. Thank you.